Oh, it's way too hot. I'm going up to higher elevation for a few days.
Well, Lori went camping with her girlfriends for a few days, so Scott and I decided to try and do a little prairie dog hunting. He's got a drone, so after our hunt, he flew over our kind of a killing fields so you could get an idea of the territory where we're hunting at. We decided we were going to use the 17 WSM. You can see some of the ballistics of it, but it's that lead-free stuff that's 15 grain. We saw a prairie dog straight away, but we were getting set up to shoot it. Scott's going to be on the gun and I'll be on the camera. But man, they decided to play a little chase. So we had to wait a little while, and sure enough, we didn't have to wait too long, and there's another prairie dog come out.
Hello, I'm Scott. I'm here with my buddy Jim, out here trying to kill some prairie dogs today. And I'm born and raised in Golden, up here in beautiful Crawford, Colorado with Jim. I was so happy that he'd invite me to come out. And if he says that he tried and told me to turn on this cam scope,
yeah,
he's lying. He didn't do it. We would have had some really good footage.
Yeah, but we'll just have to use the Nikon 900 or P900 or whatever.
But part of that is hopefully that'll give me a chance to come back out and see it in action the next time.
Yeah, we'll do it again. Easy, real slow and easy. Yeah, I'm on it. Yeah. Ooh, just past his head. Oh. Yeah, I'm on it. Slow and easy. Oh. Yeah, he's going to come up and give you a better shot, I think.
You good with that or no?
Huh?
You want that shot?
He might hop up on his hind legs, but that's, if you think you can hit him, I'd just go for center of mass and try to knock him out. Yeah, there's a good one. Slow and easy.
That was a good one.
I think you got him that time.
Oh yeah. He's moving a little bit. Just a little bit.
That'll be a tough shot. He's not very
still.
Yeah, I'd try to get him in his left shoulder blade right there. Yep, you got him. Oh, yeah, I see him. Oh, yeah, it is a dove.
Oh, I see him.
Yeah, now that's 200 yards or more. Oh, there's two of them. Nose to nose.
Really?
The one to the right is actually the bigger one. Oh, they're going to get a fight, it looks like. Oh, yeah, they're fighting. Yeah. You see that?
Yeah.
I would try to hit the one on the right. It's above his head, center of mass. Oh, man, you hit real high.
Yeah, and I was 2 inches above.
Okay, well,
so
don't.
It's right on.
Yeah, I guess don't hold over. Now, that one is behind that little tuft of grass that you shot at. He kind of went down, and the other one went over the hill. had a flea bite. I wish I knew how to. Okay, now it's probably as good as you're going to get there. Okay. Yeah, I tried to hit him right under his chin.